In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add HTML code to Wix website. To begin, open your Wix editor so you are inside the page where you want the HTML code to appear. This is important because the code will be added directly to that section of your site. Once the editor is open, look to the left sidebar and find the Add Elements button, which is marked with a plus sign. Click that to open the Elements panel. From there, move your cursor over Embed Code. In some versions of Wix, you will see an option called Embed a Widget. In other versions, you may see HTML iframe instead. Either option will let you place custom code on the page, so choose the one that appears in your editor. As soon as you select it, a gray box will appear on your page. This box acts as the container for your embedded code. Click on that gray box to select it, and then look for the Enter Code button above it. Click that button to open the settings window. When the settings window appears, make sure the code option is selected instead of website address. This matters because you are pasting custom HTML, CSS, or JavaScript directly into Wix, not linking out to another web page. If the wrong option is selected, your code will not display the way you expect. Now paste your custom code into the box provided. Take a moment to make sure everything is copied correctly before moving on. Clean formatting can help prevent issues, especially if your code includes styling or scripts. If you are working with a larger code snippet, it is also a good idea to double-check for any missing tags or accidental spaces. Once your code is in place, click Update. Wix will then apply the code to that embedded widget on your page. After updating, you can resize or reposition the gray box if needed so it fits better with the rest of your layout. This helps make sure the embedded content displays neatly and matches the design of your site. That is the full process. Open the Wix editor, add an embed element, choose the code option, paste your HTML, and update it. After that, your custom code should be added to the page and ready for use. That covers everything you need to know.